Footage shows Ukrainian troops who like to hide in dugouts being completely dismantled by heavy artillery fire as the Russian armed forces war god. The Russian Ministry of Defense shared footage on July 22, 2024, showing the crew of TOS-1A Solntsepek heavy flamethrower system of the Central Military District, using terrain features, moving into position, and firing a salvo of 220mm thermobaric rockets at previously received coordinates, striking the stronghold and enemy light armor at a location on Avdeevka direction. Without wasting any time, the soldiers moved the combat vehicles to a marching position and, using anti-fire maneuvers, left the firing positions. The target is adjusted and controlled in real time by the unmanned aerial vehicle crew. The terrifying TOS-1A fire confirmed the advance of the assault detachment towards the Donetsk region. The use of thermobaric munitions by soldiers allowed the destruction of Ukrainian personnel who were hiding in trenches, fortified buildings, and light armored vehicles. The commander of the combat vehicle noted the high firepower and efficiency of TOS-1A, destroying deep positions and observation posts in various conditions. The vehicle is good, works on the target area, works accurately and precisely. We often took up firing positions and supported our men at the front. The enemy is very afraid of it, because this is a very formidable weapon, and no one has yet had any analogues to such a system. There is no place to hide, that's why the enemy is very afraid, said the commander.